It's lights out and we are racing here in Doha, just like he did last night. Martin absolutely smashes the start from pole position. He's going to get the whole shot into turn one. Bagnaia trying to go around the outside, a long way around through the first corner on Brad Binder, who's up in a second place, just as he was in the sprint here last night. Bagnaia now trying to fight through on Binder into turn two for P2, and he's going to make it through the world champ. Oh, close. Surely they touched on the exit there. Bagnaia comes out the better of it, up in a second.
And straight onto the back of Jorge Martin as the world champion goes straight into the lead. Both KTMs rockets again off the line. Binder's third, Miller is up into the top six.
Bagnaia means business on the first lap of 2024. Brilliant, super aggressive by the world champ.